Hey there, savvy investors. Ever found yourself mulling over the advice to make your money work for you? It's a phrase tossed around a lot, and yes, we've championed it too. But let's get into the nitty-gritty. What does it actually mean? And how can we move beyond just words to action? It's not about a magical increase in your bank balance, but about adopting financial strategies that scale both in personal and broader economic contexts. Let's explore some actionable ideas today, and we're all ears for your insights as well. Welcome to the channel where the journey to billions begins. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're skipping out on essential wealth-building advice. Number 1. Viewing money as renewable. First up, let's shift how we view money. For those swimming in wealth, it's about leveraging resources smartly. But what if your pool's a bit shallow? Fear not, the principle still applies. Transforming your mindset about money is the first crucial step. Ditch the scarcity mindset and start small, dreaming big about turning those investments into more significant gains. Think of money as a renewable resource. It keeps coming back if you play your cards right. Number 2. Assigning your money a role. Time to give your dollars some direction. What do you want your money to achieve? Whether it's earning a bit of interest in a savings account, investing in art or collectibles, or funding ad campaigns for a business, define those roles clearly. By thoughtfully assigning each dollar a specific role, whether it's to grow through investments, fund your entrepreneurial ventures, or secure your future, you're not just spending money. You're strategically deploying it towards your most valued goals and visions. Your money should be hustling, generating more income, and reinvesting for growth. Number 3. Diving into REITs. Real estate sounds daunting, right? It doesn't have to be. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer a simpler path to property investment, with lower risks and the potential for dividends plus capital growth. Investing in REITs also means you're part of the broader real estate market's ups and downs, providing a practical learning curve in property investment without the direct exposure to market volatility. Think of it as having your property cake and eating it too, without the headache of direct management. Number 4. Safe investment routes. Not everyone's a high-flyer risk-taker, and that's okay. There's wisdom in the tried and tested, clearing debts, exploring 401(k) options, and perhaps venturing into bond ladders or high-yield CDs. By prioritizing these safer investment avenues, you're building a solid financial foundation that not only secures your present, but also paves the way for more adventurous investments in the future, ensuring a balanced and resilient portfolio. It's all about staying engaged with your investments and making smart, informed choices. Number 5. Parking your money. Wisely. Dave Ramsey said it best, how you handle money defines prosperity. There comes a time to park your funds smartly. This involves choosing the right short-term savings account with the best interest rates, minimal penalties, and reliable service. It's about making your money sit tight and grow, even when it's on a short leash. Number 6. The art of trade-ups. Ever heard the story of the guy who bartered from a paperclip to a house? That's the power of starting small and aiming high. Whether it's trading services for a website or other barter deals, the sky's the limit. This strategy not only amplifies your assets, but also enhances your negotiation skills and business acumen, preparing you for larger-scale financial ventures. Get creative with what you have and watch it grow. Number 7. Peer-to-peer. Lending. P2P lending is a modern way to let your money work hard, earning interest from day one. As a lender, you choose your comfort level with risk and potentially enjoy returns well above traditional savings rates. By engaging in P2P lending, you're also contributing to a more inclusive financial ecosystem, offering opportunities to those who might be bypassed by traditional banking systems. It's lending for the digital age, and it's booming. Number 8. Going against the grain. True wealth often comes from not following the crowd. Investing in downturned markets or undervalued stocks can be your golden ticket. It's about being patient and ready when the market swings in your favor, proving the adage that sometimes the best opportunities come from the least expected places. Number 9. Investing in appreciating assets. From real estate to stocks, mutual funds, and more creative assets like patents or digital content, diversifying your investments can lead to significant wealth growth. Embracing this contrarian approach not only sets you apart from the crowd, but also positions you to capitalize on the market's recovery, turning periods of economic downturn into opportunities for significant financial growth. Remember, assets that provide a passive income are like having a renewable money source at your fingertips. Number 10. Backing a winning idea. Got cash to spare? Think like a Shark Tank investor. Support budding entrepreneurs with brilliant ideas and let their drive and passion fuel your financial growth. This not only diversifies your investment portfolio, but also places you at the forefront of innovation and market trends, potentially unlocking unprecedented returns and establishing lasting legacies in industries ripe for transformation. It's about being more than just a silent partner. It's about actively engaging and mentoring for mutual success. Now, over to you, wise investors. How do you plan to engage your money in the heavy lifting? We're eager to hear about the methods you're using or considering to make your financial dreams a reality. And if you've listened this far, thank you. It shows your true commitment to mastering your financial future. Here's a parting thought. In times of instability, remember the importance of staying steady with your investments, bolstering your emergency funds, and, as always, maintaining your health and hygiene. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe for daily doses of financial wisdom, and explore our vast library of content designed to elevate your financial game.